Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to talk you through how you control who has access to the iLink Google gadget down here and who doesn't within your Google domain. This is for the scenario where you have a number of users that you do not want to access it. So to do that, we can create organizations and manage them as a domain admin. So let's go across here and let's go into manage this domain. This will open up the domain admin screen, and within the domain admin screen there's a section called organization and users, so I'm going to open that up. Now at the moment for this domain there's just the root organization, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another organization, and I can do that by clicking on the add organization button, and I'm going to call this gadget users. Now, if I go into gadget users, I have the ability to add users to it. So let's go across here and let's put one in there from the main area. So let's say that my user number 1 is going to be a gadget user. I'll move them across. Alright. So now what I'm going to do is I've got my top organization, which everyone is in. I'm going to go and I'm going to limit access to iLink. So if we click on the Services tab, we scroll down, we can see here we've got the iLink service. So I'm actually going to turn that off. Alright, and save the changes. Now if I go to my gadget users, and again on the services tab of gadget users, if we go down and we find the iLink, I'm just going to move this across so you can see more details. We can see that currently it's off and it's inherited. So let's override the inherited setting and let's turn it on and save those changes. So now what we have is we have all users having no access to the gadget, and we have those in the gadget users group as having access to the gadget. So if we want people to use the gadget, we just simply add them to that organization group. So now if we went across and logged in as user 2, who we gave no access to, so we've got user 2 here, and we go into one of the emails and scroll down, we can see there is no gadget at the bottom of the email. Now let's log out of user 2. Let's log in as user 1. And open any old email. Scroll down and sure enough there's the gadget. So by creating organizations and assigning users to those organizations, we can control access to the gadget in terms of having it not show up for the majority of users and show up for those that we do want to have use it. That's all I had to show you today. Thank you for joining me.